So hello students, welcome to DCA. 15 days to go for your NDA exam, that is NDA 1 2021. You have received your admit card and I feel that the preparation might be also in full mode, right? So complete mode on. Good luck. Right, so it's time to test yourself. Maybe you have started revising or you might have finished your revision and still in the zone of ambiguity how to revise, how to check that you are prepared enough for NDA or not. There must be a question, एक बड़ा स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन एक आम आदमी के आम एस्पिरेंट्स के दिमाग में आता है, राइट? कि कैन आई चेक कि ओके हाउ कैन आई बिलीव दैट कि यस वॉट एवर माई लेवल राइट नाउ इज गुड इनफ फॉर NDA. Can I have a test where if I score a particular marks or beyond that I can be confident that yes I am going to make it to the list, right? Can we have such mock test? Yes, you do have. So that's why we have come up with this test series that is free for all NDA aspirants, whether it is from our classroom course, online course, or the booklet or corresponding distance learning course as well, school projects as well, right? So that test has been named as Agni Pariksha, right? So it's kind of nomenclature. When you find that yes, if you cross this border, if you cross this hurdle, you are definitely a perfect candidate. That's what you need. Right, so this is a brief analysis or brief detail of how actually the test will be done or how many tests will be done, right? One thing I would like to say before explaining this, that this will be syllabus oriented as per the NDA syllabus given in official, right? Second, there will be no previous year question in this paper, right? So when many of the, you might have seen that when many test series, if you try up, there might be many of the questions from the previous year papers, right? We don't, right? In our test series, there will be not a single question from the previous year, because at this moment of time, I personally believe that any serious aspirant must have done previous year at least for 2-3 years. So we will not put any previous year question just to ensure that that is already done from your side. I want quality check. We want to check upon your quality. You need to evaluate yourself at this junction of time. No previous year question, and believe me, if you score 40% plus in the test, let's suppose in mathematics, English or GS or individually, nobody can stop you to crack the NDA exam. If your score is 40% plus in each of them, that section is good enough for you. That section is good enough for you. You will definitely clear the NDA written exam. Questions will be qualitative. Again, I emphasize that none of the question will be from JEE mains in the mathematics as well. We will not put any JEE main previous year question as well, so that to make the question difficult. No, it will be completely UPSC oriented, right? The kind of the approach UPSC follow, multiple concepts from a single question, even in the GS, right? So that is one thing I wanted to clarify. No previous year, no JEE mains question, completely conceptual. Even in physics, chemistry will be focusing upon application type question which UPSC asks, right? So let's start with the discussion. So we'll have 4 set of tests for mathematics. Instead of having a one complete exhaustive test, we'll be having 4 set of tests: matrix determinant and set theory in one test. Then we have complete algebra. Then we have 2D, 3D vectors. Then starts trigo, and the last one is calculus, right? Where we have differential plus integral calculus. So this complete 5 mock test, right? Of course, it will not be of 2.5 hours, right? So let's suppose we have put around 30 questions in matrix determinant and set type. It will be more or less according to the weightage of the time. So questions may vary. It can be, algebra is a vast one. The question can be around 40 questions. Let's suppose calculus, it will be around 40 questions. Kind of this. You will get the complete details of this in the PDF, right? Then we have English, 2 mock tests of English. One will be completely based on grammar. The kind of question based on grammar, like common errors, fill in the blanks, right? Sentence rearrangements, right? This is completely grammatical. Around 50 question or 60 question will be putting out from the grammar question. One test from the grammar. Reason, so that you can check upon where actually you lack, whether you are good in grammar or you are performing good in vocab and RC. The second question is comprehension and vocab, that is synonym, antonyms, right? Reading comprehension. So these are the 2 tests for the English. ये 2 English के लिए हो गए. Coming to the general study GS section, we have, since weightage of geography is around 20 questions. So just to check the separate one, whether the candidate is good in physical geography, general geography, or Indian geography. So we have one set of question from Indian geography, another for physical geography. Second one for the social science, because the UPSC syllabus mentions social science, it does not mention separately history, polity, economics. So for history we will have a separate module test. Polity and economics will be another module. In physics we have segregated kind of two parts. One is numerical based as per NDA level. It's not tough, right? Numericals in NDA are quite easy. So this is quite scoring, the numerical type of question for the NDA level. Second is application, which is actually qualitative. Like latent heat depends on which of the following factors. These are generally conceptuals and you cannot find straightforward in books. So these are qualitative ones. Believe me, these questions are quite good enough, competent, highly simulated UPSC questions, and you cannot find this in books. I guarantee you, you cannot find this in simple books. You have to rack up your brain in order to solve this question. Conceptual one, I am not saying numericals. Numericals are easy in NDA. Right? In fact, they are quite easy. Chemistry, we have another set, bio and current affairs. We will be conducting 2 mock set for the current affairs so that candidates can check upon. Right? So we will be dividing into 2 parts. Let's suppose from first part from September to December, then from January to March. I will be putting up 30 questions so that you can check upon. So any candidate wherever in India can register. Right? That register, please don't call because it becomes difficult to receive all the calls. You can send your registration via or inquiries, even whatever you want to know the details via WhatsApp, Telegram, or you can email on us official email ID defensecareeranalyst@gmail.com or WhatsApp number that is official, one single number for all your queries, 77-105-48960. I believe, and in fact, believe my words, this is completely good test. And you can definitely believe that if your score is 40% plus in each of the section, you are going to score 420, 430 plus at least. Maybe if you can score 600, if you are scoring around 70% in this test, you can definitely cross 550 for sure, right? So any questions, queries, you can definitely contact us. Thank you. Good luck.